What is up, everyone? I'm Jacob, and you guys are Team Vloggers, and I'm back with another video. And I will be doing a review video about slime. Yes, slime. I'm gonna prop you up, guys, real quick. It is called Noise Putty, and this is the label. I'm gonna take it out real quick. So this is it. It is a slime type putty. So you can poke it. You can do that in the container. But what I'm really getting to is what its ifs and its outs. So this is a non-toxic slime. So if it does go in your mouth, just call poison control, because you just want to do it. And this is it. So it's like any other slime when you take it out, and I ain't getting gummy bears, so just bear with me here. So what here you're gonna do is see, I had it on the ground. I'm gonna let it sit out for a second. It is non-stickable, so any surface like this, laminate floors, it will not stick to. Skull, carpet, may stick a little bit to. That's that. I got this at my thing where I'll put the container right here. It is a snowflake shop. It's a tradition that we do every year. So yeah, that's where I got it from. At my school, I mean. Okay, so let's get on to the review. The slime is red. You can get it in different colors like yellow, blue, purple, a pink. I saw it as an orange, and then this nice red. The poking is decent. Surrounding that's hard and annoying poker. I will slow down here a second. I'm just trying to find some pokes, because most people like the satisfying. There you go. No, I just had to slow down. So you got your pokes. You can. I'm gonna move it closer. Over in this area. Okay, bear with me. It does not stick, like I said. It does have some poking sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'll be quiet. But it's not like real slime where you can hear the like what else we can see? Comes in different colors. That. It's not a hassle to put back in the container, so open up the little jar. Oh. Got your jar. Pick up the slime. So it is putty, so it may be. You do hear the farting sound. But it is putty, it's not real slime, so it does make that farting sound. So if you don't like that farting sound, click off the video now, because that's when I'm putting it back in the container, that's all you're gonna hear pretty much. So then on the label it says, I'll read the label too. Let the camera focus. No, it's not gonna focus. Okay. It says, number 1, for ages 6 and up. What I really say is, if your child knows not to eat this, you can buy it for them. But if your child thinks, oh look, this is just a jar of putty, and puts it in their mouth, yeah, if your child knows do not swallow it and it's made in China, they're good. This putty is made in China, so it's not US slime. I'll put it back on the thing. It's not that big of a hassle to take out. And then you have it. It almost like, it comes in a little ball. Let me put it back. It comes in a little ball like this. And then it just eventually really should have vacuumed before I did this video. Me. Good. Yeah, but I said bear with me, guys. I'm sorry. Don't go hate in the comments now. Because this is my first video in a month or two at least. So I'm trying to make an interesting video. And don't forget to pop your bubbles. Yeah. It has a good poking sound. I'll put it close up so you can hear. Wait. So that's the slime itself. So yeah, that's the slime. You can do pretty much whatever you need to do with the slime. Like, if you want to use it to poke, but it's not butter slime, so please don't go out and. Yeah, you can do that a couple times like that, but it's not real butter slime, so please don't go haywire and say, I'm gonna buy it so I can do the butter slime video. No. Click off this video now if you think it's butter slime. No. If you think it's yeah, so that's the slime. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I covered everything. Oh yeah. 1 second. Let me get it out. I'll spread out. You can do you pick it up with one hand and do that. Or you can pick it up with 2 hands and go. Sometimes I like going. I had this slime for the day, so I wanted to make a video on it before I really use it a lot. So that covers pretty much everything about the slime putty. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe down there, and comment so I should make merch. I'm back at you guys. See ya in the next video. Goodbye.